Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing. I've got 3 more packages to go through, and I am super excited to get started. So, without further ado, we'll cracking into these things. Oh, I see an Avengers A. Who could it be? Oh, it's Kang. Sick. Kang the Conqueror. I actually really liked the MCU interpretation of this character. Like they basically lifted the comic design right onto the screen. Like I thought that was really solid costume design. That's the main reason I picked it up. And you can never have too many villains, right? You always need more villains. And I thought he would be good for like because I want to eventually get a Secret Wars display going. So I thought he would be good in the multiversal fight of good and evil, because I believe in the comics Kang is one of the villains selected for the original Secret War, but he wasn't in the animated show that I'm more familiar with, so I'll have to double check that. This box is really heavy taped. Okay, and who's next? Let's see. Oh, they tricked me. Package in a package. I hate when they do this. At least it's got a little smiley face on it. Alright. Let's get into this thing. The anticipation. Oh, shit. It's the Legends Deluxe Vulture. Man, I've been so super waiting. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Super excited for this one. I can't even wait. Oh, it's heavy. This thing looks awesome. Another one where I loved the MCU design of the character. Vulture, I always kind of like never cared about as a Spidey villain. I was like, I never thought anything of him, but Michael Keaton just really did a great job of the character for Homecoming, and I wanted to have the Michael Keaton interpretation here. Unfortunately, there's no unmasked head, but this Vulture head looks great with those green eyes, the leather bomber jacket, and the wings. Like, oh, this thing looks super great. It's gonna be the centerpiece of my Spidey display in the back, I think, looming over everyone. Vulture is supposed to be part of the Sinister Six, and unfortunately, he never did make it in No Way Home, so I'm kind of making my own version of how No Way Home should have been. Like, I got Venom in there. I put Mysterio. Mysterio also should have been in there. He was in the second movie and then not the third one. But yeah, so it's kind of just becoming a live-action Spidey display for all MCU Spidey villains. But I'm all for it. And let's see what's in this last one. Man, that Vulture actually got me super hyped. I was kind of like whatever with the Kang one, and yeah, that really got me going. So let's see what we got next here. Oh my god, this is another great one. Dun, 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 dun. We've got live action Professor X and Magneto, and not just one version, but we've literally got the Michael Fassbender Magneto and the Ian McKellen and the Patrick Stewart Professor X, and forgive me, I forget the other Professor X's name. But yeah, it's literally 2 versions of each character. Look at all these head sculpts. Oh my god, 4 head sculpts of Magneto, 2 head sculpts of Professor X. The only thing I don't like about this 2-pack is the wheelchair. It's like a standard wheelchair. But that's mostly because that's what this Professor X uses. I would have liked to see the motorized chair, but this is another really, really good purchase. I'm super happy to add this one to my live action X-Men display, which at this point, oh no, I knocked one into there. At this point, it started out as Wolverine vs. Deadpool, but now it's kind of becoming, I got a lot of the Deadpool 2 figures, and now with this one, it'll be just like all live action X-Men. So yeah, this is really, really good haul of purchases. Man, can't wait to add these guys to my display. Super, super happy about it. All of them, really, really. Like, I'm very grateful that I got all these things. So, if you like this video as much as I like these figures, hit the like button. If you want to stay up to date on everything coming Marvel Legends from me, hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.